Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And both these levels still do pertain to the chart, but as we head into a new week, I just really want to simplify this all and focus on two main technical levels. And both these levels are going to be watched by a lot of people because they're just very foundational areas. And when a lot of people are watching the same areas and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements, and that's exactly what we're going to have with both these levels. So the first level that a lot of people are going to be watching is this purple line here as an area of resistance, and that is the 50-period moving average, and the current value of that is right there at 55 cents. So 55 cents is going to be that first key level that, like I said, a whole lot of people are going to be watching for the very, no pun intended, simple reason that it's the 50-period simple moving average. On the flip side of things, the other level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching from the support side of things is that pink line down there, which on my chart represents the very, very well-known, very famous 200-period moving average, which is currently valued at 45 cents. So 55 cents key level of resistance, 45 cents key level of support, really are going to be those two key overarching levels that, again, this is not me trying to come across like, this is a great discovery on my part and I have some sort of special skill and secret. No, the exact opposite. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of both of these levels, and you can see that as of right now, the price is essentially trapped between these two areas. So the big question going into next week is, who is ultimately going to win out? Are the bulls going to win out with a breakout to the upside, or are the bears going to win out with a breakdown to the downside? That all remains to be seen, but that's definitely the key question going into next week. So let's see how it all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover three keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.